Hello viewers and welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary. Oya ore Aruaki a Luo English Dictionary. Now today we are going to talk about the small items in your house and how you call them. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video that we post when we post. So what I would suggest before I begin is that have a small note and have a sticky note and write this in your house and stick it in all these things so that you can see the item and then know the Luo name. That way it's easier to remember the name so that 1 week later you can actually remove the sticky note and then know the item by name. Okay, the first one here is chair, and we call it com. Let's say it together. Com. Good. Table. Mesa. 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 A lamp. See what I did there? Lamp is tire. Tire. That's a lamp. Bed. Your bed is called otanda. Otanda. Okay. Blanket. Onget. You should see that. Ket. Get. Blanket. Onget. Onget. Cloth. Now there's cloth and there's dress. Dress is lao and cloth is nanga. Lao, nanga. Leoni. If there are many clothes, you say leoni. Lao, nanga, leoni. The plural of nanga is nengni. Nengni. Shoe is war. War. And if there are many, you say watch. There's a U missing here. Should be watch. Those are shoes. Watch. And then mobile phone. Onweyamo. 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 That's a mobile phone. Book. Book is easy. Book is book. 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 Mirror. Rangi. 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 And door. Door is the ought. The ought. The ought. Water for drinking. Pi modo. Pi modo. Pi modo. Water for drinking. Then a cooking pot. Agulu. Agulu. And then I've just remembered, Nikki, can I get a pen? Okay. I've just remembered, if you want to talk about your gate is rangach. Rangach. Let me just write it down. Thank you. Rangach is gate. Rangach. And the chair. There is chiel. Sorry, let me start with rangach. Rangach is your gate. So when you're coming into your compound, that is called rangach. Then the hedge that is surrounding your home is called chiel. chiel. So chiel could be a H, or chiel could be a fence. So chiel could be a hedge or a fence. So these are just the normal stuff that you meet in your day life. Your window, the initial definition of window is otuchi. Nikki, more paper please. Otuchi. Now, but we since married Swahili and English. No, not Swahili. Sorry, Luo and English, and now we say drisa. Some people say drisa. Drisa, but the initial name is drisa, but the initial name is otuchi. Okay? Your walls, the walls in your house are called korot. Korot. The walls in your house are called korot. Okay? The ceiling is called, the roof, not the ceiling. The roof is called tado. Tado, that's the roof. Okay? And I think we'll start there for now. Please, if you have questions and comments, if you have ideas, if you have stuff that you'd like to translate quickly into Luo, please let us know in the comment section, and then we'll just make a quick video to help you out on this. Alright? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, tell a friend to tell a friend, share it with your friends so that we can be known out there. And look out for our next video. Kwe.